thunderstorms. This will cause minor flooding in the advisory area. An estimated 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen since 4:45 p.m. with locally up to 3 inches. An additional 1 to 2 inches of rain are possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Franklin, downtown Suffolk, Holland, Suffolk, Hunterdale, Whaleyville, Carsville, Loomis, Suffolk Airport,
Just say Suffolk.
Lee's Mill, Nerney, Kilby, Walters, Boaz, Burnett, and Elwood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. Repeating, a flood advisory has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties. In Virginia, Isle of Wight and Southampton, and the following independent cities. In Virginia, Franklin and Suffolk.